Ừ.
Hello, good day. This is Anka from Tohita. Nice to meet you again.
Yes, I'm just yeah.
Yes. Welcome to our today's live stream. And today our topic is about the radiant cooker plate heater. Yes, now the samples on our hands is the radiant cooker plate heater. Yes.
I think I handle the biggest one.
Yeah, I handle the smallest one. Yes, it's a very beautiful product. And for such radiant cooker plate heater, uh, it is uh, it is mainly used for the radiant cooker, because it's very high fasting and also friendly environmental spare parts for the radiant cooker. So it is very popular use in the European markets and the American markets. And also for such products, we have our own independent workshop and production lines to produce such products. And every month the daily output for every month our production capacity is up to 50,000 pieces. Yes.
Yes, I think it's a big number. So if you are the manufacturer of the cooker, yes, you need this. So we are a very good choice. So 50,000 units, we can guarantee a online delivery, and if you have big order, yes, we can increase, we can develop for you. So if you
Yes.
are the trader, so you want to sell it on your website, it's also a good item to start, because of course good profit, and also the specification is very simple and standard, and also
Yes.
alternative for many other different brands, such as the EGO. Yes, our plate can fit for your EGO type. And so there's also have one more question is, why choose us? You may wonder, right? There are so many fellow supplier who also selling this. And actually for this we have studied for years, and we just launched it several years ago, because we have invest a lot of money and time.
Yes.
We even invite an engineering team from USA to help us develop this item, and finally we can announce it's ready for the market. So we introduce to you, and I hope it will be a very good item to bring you good business with good profit. And here in the coming, I will give you idea about how to define a radiant heater. So let me have a closer look on the sample first. Here we show you several specifications. I think this one is 1A0. This one is bigger, 200. The hand I hold in my, the one I hand in my hold is 300. So the biggest one. So first, and about this item, our style is with the thermostat. You can see we have thermostat here. So you have to notice sometimes when you get offer from other supplier, they might without the thermostat. So please compare in the same level. And this thermostat, we have our own pattern. So Enka will give you more detailed information. And the next point you'd like to I would like to address your attention is, you can see the resistant wire inside, right? Actually, this resistant wire is very important. So the better quality, then the longer he can serve your cooker. And so the resistant wire can affect the lifetime. For us, our resistant wire is import from Japan, a very good material. So we can serve at least 3,000 hours. So let me tell you, you cook with this 2 hours every day, then you can cook maybe for 4 years. So it's a good product. 4 years, not 1 year. And the third one is, you can see we have different layout, the resistant wire. So the biggest one is like this. And these two, also have different. So the total voltage, you can see this one. This one is only 1 voltage. So this one have two. It has the inner voltage 750 and the outside voltage is 1050. So the total is 1800 voltage. And we also stamp the specification. You can see we have a stamp, and the DHDH is our brand name. So you can see the layout is different. The next one is about the price. The price, and actually our price is competitive. We are maybe around 10% lower than EGO, but the quality is same. So if you interest, you can collect some sample from us. You can do a quality check, then you will know more about our radiant heater. So I believe this is the information I'd like to share with you. So Enka, can you give us more technical information about our radiant heater?
Yes, sure. Yes. Also, at the same time, I will show you more advantages about our radiant cooker heater, because you may ask what's the advantages of our radiant heaters, why we must buy your radiant heater. Okay, in the next, I will explain the advantages and the specifications of our radiant heater one by one. And firstly, please look at the resistant wire. This is the resistant wire I'm pointing at now. Our resistant wire, you can from our sample, that it is the Z-type wire. It is very beautiful, right? We imported this set from Japan, and its lifetime can be reached to 3,000 hours, and which had been past test by the LG and the Electrolux. Secondly, please look at the insulation weight. Yeah, this is the insulation plate. Comparing with some companies' radiant heater, our insulation plate is not easily broken because it is made of a special material. From our sample, you can see that it's very strong and no any broken, no any fragile scratches on the insulation plate, right? But I'm sorry, I cannot tell you what the material is, because it is a company secret. It's very important secret. Thirdly, the surface heating temperature of our radiant heater can be reached to 660 centigrade degree, and the temperature can be remain at the same level. That means, for example, on the aspect of boiling water, it will be take lesser time. And the fourthly is about the thermostat. This is the thermostat of our radiant cooker plate heater. Yes, some customer will call it sensor. Yes, about this temperature of the radiant cooker heater, it is independently developed and produced by us. Our thermostat had approved by UL and VDE, and its temperature range of such thermostats can be reached to 460 Celsius to 660 Celsius. Yes, actually, in our previous live stream, we had introduced this thermostat separately. You can, if you are interested in our such thermostats, you can watch our replay. Yes. Also, there are three common lengths we have. The first one is the 175 millimeter. The second one is 210 millimeter, and the third one is 238 millimeter. For such lengths, it can be customized according to your design as well. We can make more lengths and for your options. And also, its lifetime of thermostats can be reached to 100,000 cycles. Yes, actually, for such thermostats, it can be directly decide the lifetime of the radiant cooker plate heater. So it is a very important spare part for a radiant cooker plate heater. Yes. And not only our thermostats had been approved by the UL and the VDE certification, but also our whole plate heater. Yes, it's also approved by the UL and the VDE certification. As far as we know, and there are only 2 factories that can get dual certifications in the domestic market. Yes, we are one of them. So our products are suitable for European markets and the North American markets and so on. And the above information are the advantages and the specifications of our radiant cooker plate heater. From this information, I hope you will have a better understanding for our products, and we believe our product quality are better than many other manufacturers in China. I hope you will like our products. And so, some customer will be curious what sizes of the radiant cooker plate heater that you have. Okay, here we will show you a table which is stating all the models we have. Please have a look at our table. Yes, you can see clearly. Yes, from the table you can see that there are 80 types of the, yes, 80 types of radiant cooker plate heater we show you. But sure, this sizes is only for the single plate heater. Yes, about the voltage, you can see that we have the 240 voltage, yes, and the 208 voltage, or the 230 voltage, and the 220 voltage, and so on. Yes, yes. For example, for the 240 voltage, actually for such voltage, the customer from American market will be inquiring such voltage. Yes, you can see that we also had approved by the UL certification, so our product can be sold to American markets as well. About the power, and yes, about the power range, also it can be customized according to your design. The range we can make from is 1000 watt to 2700 watts. Yes. Some is 1200 watts, some is the 2200 watts, and some, the bigger one, maybe will require the higher voltage. It is 2700 watts and so on. Yes. And the next is the outer diameter. For the outer diameter, yeah, from the sample, if you watch our live stream just now, you can see from our sample table there are different, yes, outer diameter of our radiant cooker plate heater. And then the smallest one we can make is 164 millimeter, and the max outer diameter we can make is 300 millimeter. Yes. And the next one is the inner diameter. For the inner diameter, actually it is the heating area, yes, of our radiant cooker plate heater. I mean this inner diameter. Yes, this is the inner diameter. Is also the heating area. For this range, we can make it from 140 millimeter to 270 millimeter. Yes, and so on. And all these 18 types of heating plate heater, we have got the UL certification and the VDE certifications. Yes. So please have a detailed look again about this table. If you want us to send you such table, please leave your message or email us, and then we can send you the PDF form or other form.
Yes. If you are from market,
yes,
USA or EU, then with our certificate, you can sell to your client directly. So
yes,
you don't need to invest on the certificate again. And so this will be the brief introduction of our radiant heater. So next part we will have a Q&A, answer you some question you mostly concerned. And before that, let's have a short break. We will show you a small video clip and see you
yes,
again in 1 minute.
yes. See you again. Welcome back.
Yes, and here I have summarized some questions, and let me share with you. The first one most people ask frequently is about the MOQ. So about MOQ, I will put every model at least 500 units, and for every shipment, so every order, MOQ is 2,000 units. You can, of course, you can mix with them, and we can support with the MOQ 2,000 units. And of course, the more you buy, the cheaper you will get, right? The next one is about the sample. So you want to ask for the sample from us. So what is the price, right? Actually, for the sample, we don't charge any fees. We can offer free of sample, but at the same time, we hope you can invest on the transportation fees, right? I think it's a very reasonable request. We both invest on the business opportunity. So sample is free. Just spend zero, I think is 30 or 60 US dollars, then you can get our sample and find one more good business opportunity.
Yes.
And the three is about the package. Maybe some of you already buy from other supplier, and you maybe have met some poor package methods. And for us, consider this radiant heater is very fragile, and so we will use the cotton, at least cotton and pellet to pack it. If you, any of you want to sell on the website, right, Amazon or in your own website, then we can pack exclusively for every unit. And you want to individual cotton, okay, no problem, we can support. The last one is about a certificate, and so far we have the ULMVDE, and I think is already suitable for many markets, even you are from Egypt. And of course, our thermostat, we also sell the thermostat, and if you are the manufacturer like us for this radiant heater, you can consider to buy from us, because this one is very good quality, because we have our pattern, and the price is also very good, and I think it's very competitive choice if you are looking for the thermostat.
Yes.
So I believe this is the Q&A we'd like to share, and this live stream will be finished here, and tomorrow we will have a live stream sharing about some information and questions. We'd like to get the support from you, and another is about the shipment. So if you want to ship from China, what you should focus on, what you should do earlier to catch the ETD, catch the voyage. So this information, I believe, is very useful for you. So please keep following us, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yes, also tomorrow will be the last day of the 128th online Canton Fair. Yes, you know, there are not left so much time. Yes, just keep following us. We will give you more surprise tomorrow.
Yes. So
So
thanks for watching.
have a good day. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.